Yes man people, welcome back to Dave Scott Studio. Today I'm going to show you guys how you do a taper mid fade. With this client I'm going to leave the level of the hair the same. I'm going to give it a little bit of smooth as we go along with the trim. So first step, I'm going to use a 1.5 open guard just to smooth the front area, lay it down so when I'm about to give it the shape up, there's no hair that's overlapping the front of the client's hairline. Not only that, I'm making sure that the front hairline is secured, I'm also doing the same to the side. So the next step is one of my favorite products that I like to use. I've also got it down in the description below. This is called the hairline holding spray. So once you spray it on the client's hair, you can brush the hair forward and then proceed shaping it up and making sure everything is crispy and sharp. I want to give you guys a heads up. Don't worry too much about the first time you're shaping the client's hairline. It's just to get the basic out the way. You're definitely going to come back and touch it up again after you finish with the fade. Guys, remember when you're shaping up your client's head, always start in the middle and then work your way to the side, depending which way is better for you, whether it's the left side or the right side, but always make sure you start in the middle when shaping up your client's hairline. So if you guys are noticing, I'm always starting with the hairline first, then working my way to the neckline. This allows me to get the basic out the way to position exactly how I want the fade to end up. Make sure you do not give the C cup straight away because you're giving a mid fade. You really want to know where you're going to connect the line to. So that's the reason why I always tell you guys to start at the front of the hairline first, stop at the temple, then work at the neckline, and then work your way up. To be honest guys, cutting hair is so easy. Once you have a step-by-step method, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna understand how to cut like a pro. But you need to make sure you find a strategy to learning how to cut hair. That's the reason why I'm here, to make sure that you guys don't make no mistakes when you're cutting hair, and you understand that there's always a strategy to making sure that you know how to start a haircut and also know how to finish a haircut with perfection. So the next step is actually making a small borderline between the ear area. Then I'm going to start to work my way up. I'm going to hit up with a 0.5 open up, as you can see what I'm doing now. Then I'm going to close it up to get rid of the line between the skin and the 0.5. The next step, of course, is using a number 1 and working my way upwards again, but making sure I'm not going too high because I don't want to give him a high taper. He wants a mid taper. But after finishing with the haircut, and that's when I'm going to start to proceed with the C cut. you're doing a low taper at the back of the client's hair, it's really no different to how you started at the side. The difference between the borderline, I'm creating an upside down C. So this allows me to make sure I get that kind of curve taper fade that I want the back of the client's hair to look like. So that's how you start the borderline. But the same strategy stays the same. So a lot of my clients are wondering, what was that gel that I like to use before using the sponge? It's called Less Jam. I'm also going to put that in the description below. This is one of the most best gel that you can actually use on the C4 hair. Also, guys, I want to tell you guys as well about the sponge that I use on this client's hair. Remember, I never cutted nothing at the top. I left it the same. So when you're cutting a client that has a lot of hair on their head, I would advise you to use the hole that's bigger on the sponge. I'm also going to put that in the description below. Or also, you can actually purchase two, which has the small hole and the big hole on both sides, right? So I started with the big hole first so I can actually get the curls at the bottom of the client's hair. Then after that, I would move on to the smaller hole that allows it to tighten the curls at the top of the client's hair, and it just gives it that perfect look. So this is a quick tip that I'm going to give you guys. When you are blading the front of your client's hair, the same direction that you're blading, you should do it to the side as well. Sometimes I notice people be pulling in the hair back to the side hairline when you should pulling out the hair. So that allows it to look more sharp and crispy when you do it that way. If you watched to the end of this video, make sure you guys press the like button and subscribe for more contents like this. The playlist is added on the channel as well, so it can help you as time goes on. I wish you nothing but the best. Stay blessed. Peace.